My name is Marina, and this is my mom, Svetlana.
And what do you do?
We train cats.
Cats?
Yes, cats.
Why? How many?
10 cats and 1 dog.
Wow.
Yeah.
That poor dog. Well, there's $1 million up for grabs and headlining Vegas, so good luck.
When I feel like it. Come on now. Come on now.
What's your name and where are you from?
I'm Leoz.
Leoz.
I'm from Israel.
And what are you going to be doing for us today?
I'm a mentalist. I do telekinesis.
What's it called?
Telekinesis.
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 Telekinesis. Am I saying this correctly?
Well, you're saying it
That's
with an
correct.
Israeli accent.
Well, what is it?
Telekinesis.
Telekinesis.
I'm moving objects with my mind.
Okay. So, do you think this is worth $1 million act?
You are the judges.
Good answer. Go for it. I don't have any more questions. I'm so intrigued. Telekinesis. Look at him.
You know.
He's very serious. Is he serious? What's he gonna move?
It's an ice cream cone.
Is this a joke?
Sophie, what would you do with $1 million?
I don't really care about money. I just want to sing for everyone and make them happy.
Does that mean, Sophie, if you win, we don't need to give you the $1 million?
Yes.
Okay, well then I really hope you do well. All right, good luck.
Thank you.